So most of us waste our best hour of the day, and it's called the power hour, or at least I call it the power hour. So our brains function best when they're well rested. And so you think about your phone, our brain works the same way that over the course of the day, you need to charge your phone and your
Sure.
brain starts to lose that battery over time. And so a lot of us, what we do, we wake up in that first hour, that power hour that we have is we might answer email. You want to save that for when you're tired because you don't need a lot of brain power to do email.
Right.
And so this is you're either going to be sticking with the animal theme. You're either going to be one of three birds. You're going to be a robin, that's an early riser, eagle, or an owl. So, Seth, this is going to be hard because I know it's going to sound like a fantasy, but on a Saturday morning, the kids aren't in the house. Nobody's waking you up. You're just going to get up at a natural time, just
Sure.
when you feel like this is when I'm going to get up. What time would you naturally wake up?
Naturally, if again, fantasy time, probably 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday.
Okay, so anything under seven, so you're a Robin. Anything under seven's a Robin. Actually,
Yeah.
a lot of CEOs are Robins. It's crazy. Like Tim Cook, Mary Barra,
Yeah.
crazy how early they get up. But so you're a Robin. If you're 7 to 10, and that's what most people are, they're Eagles. And then if you're over 10 o'clock, then you're an owl. And so it's just being aware of within that hour of when you naturally wake up, try to take advantage and attack the day before it attacks you.
I can tell you just this morning, today as an example, I got more done probably in the first 75 minutes of the day. I know it's a little more than an hour than I probably did the next 3 hours.
Perfect. I love it. That's what you need to do the night before. So, to your question, what's a process? There's a lot. I'm going to give you the biggest one. Write down the night before what's the biggest thing. And the biggest thing is basically what'll make everything else either easier or unnecessary. And you hear that across the board. It's been going on for hundreds of years. That's nothing new, but it's like what will make everything easier or unnecessary? Write
Right.
that down. It'll actually make you sleep better because now you've tricked your brain into thinking, I've taken care of that till tomorrow so I can sleep. Then you get up and it's ready to go. And you want to kind of go to the email, but then you just go, look, I'm just going to dedicate a half hour to this thing. And then you attack that most important thing. So that's by far the biggest thing that most people can do when it comes to focus.
Thanks for stopping in and watching this video. If you found it helpful, you can find others just like it at the link below and subscribe while you're at it.